Uba Wailadmiki Shilla, Menteri Sports and Youth Affairs, hakakat lai tarik kalalengkot arhajar arpun riu, ulai mensim bat Kitbok ki Nongialehkai ki badan Duna ki dekot met, shua bakin mi nak Jylla, bandit shimbenta hakalumpung 23rd Senior, 18th Junior, but 2nd Sub-Junior National Powerlifting Championship arhajar arpun riu, kabanlong Haderadun, Uttarakhand. Ya kini ke Nongialehkai en penlong hakakat riu tarik hadu khat pra tarik kalalengkot arhajar arpun riu. Bat na Meghalaya ki dan prangut ki bandit shimbenta kentup iki kentai bat shinrang ki badan haka lama Meghalaya State Paralympics Association MSPA. Habakran haka Jylla uba Wailadmiki ulong menshua laju Kenya ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs kum ketenat kabarit. Kamang pisa na kebenta kani ketenat kalong kabarit. Hendrai kani ke sorkar kalau yoi ya kejing koridor jengki kam Nongialehkai kum kawai na kilat ai kam ai jam. Kumta kalapan he ya kamang pisa kabala kenjo syaka saus pak klur tengka nak benta ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs. Haba ai mensie mi Nongialehkai uba Wailadmiki ulong kani kamdei kejing lek sebun rei kadei ke hok jong Nongialehkai bat ke sorkar kadan ke kamram ban ai ya kejing kershan.
Government ka perkhat ya kata nakata nakal yang jong sorkar lembaga sports department gila pas ya ka Meghalaya sports person outstanding sports person direct recruitment policy. A policy ke mensua hawai idon ke sports quota yang ke sports person. Ba ke 2% sports quota. Kalau pergi mot lada she's partly ki post artli in book na bentaki sports person. Then what kini ka 2% ro you have to fight among yourself. We happen yakun bon ki sport person. Ki ba Nongialehkai. Dan niyo iba ka Duna ba. Nakata-katao lengba ka Meghalaya outstanding sports person direct recruitment policy. Mental pi Nongialehkai ba. Pi mikmat ya ka state haka national level. Pi yo kaman ki medal haka national Asian game Olympic Paralympic. Lada pi yo medal bronze silver gold any medal anda lawan nanti kidon kam show anda pi recruitment ro direct pi yo kan. I think this worth fighting. Kata kan motivation lada yaki kemeki kepala ni buat tiga athlete ro. Kini yo mensin mental muka mod lada na prepare lada there is a security lada ngah lapan Nongialehkai lada wan rak medal la syahis. Dan nakata kadau bat kan kut tang hanta kumba pilatip bang Meghalaya menta ka shna lani it's building the biggest football stadium in the country. Kamu bang manra ndai ba ngin pha ya ki player jongi sharan ngin manra ya ka football ka Meghalaya ka long ka football capital of India. Kata berpendiri dan construction kala idai kala stang mokan. But habang ile ya kita kini kata ini hapo berkat ba side by side what we are doing for our Paralympic athletes also. That is namar kumba maumeni namar ni kumba ka direction of chief minister ni dei ban I equal platform to each and every one.
The athletes Himalaya Shajiet ban represent ya Meghalaya but ni sorong shisha ba hakani niyo yaki senior yaki junior yaki sub junior asokmen ba ka state jongi kamlet thali kan let ban represent yakani ka powerlifting championship ka ban long hadera Kanega second set off, an official send off a second time that we have already conducted. The first send off kadei ka Northeast Para Games hakaba pilai le maha lewanra hadu khat santli medal, santli ki gold, santli ki silver, santli ki bronze. Kamdei kabasuk clam practice, clam coaching pilai le banyakun but pilawara ikanam yang mentada jelajuni. Ikmen ba pidon pun dah mensiap. Bangingai terus abagi pa matangsi ba pinlet shaderun pinlet tak mensem ban yakun pinlet tak mensem ban wanra ya jingjom ban pinlet ru tak mensem jingsoret number balai you need to be humble, you need to be disciplined to be a winner. Therefore, my dear friends, I'll wish you all the best. We'll pray to God that He will keep you safe. We'll pray to God that He'll take you, be with you throughout the journey. Hadu pin the poisok chenderabun, pin sa hantay, pin yakun, pin ra kanam, but pin one pie the baso. But in why amada jompi, but pin your ro if you met quite the We do not have anything else except our blessings and prayers for you, and the rest is on you. I could play the escorts. Ki bahayeng bahasem, ki bandek singran, ki bahayeng bahasem, ki bala ay sim. Yakin iki kon samla juni. Ki don ki long yeng, haba ki ki kon ki balong kumne. Ki do gam sim, but ki snow ba. Omdan lacho haka protein le kum noi ki kon. Rei u blei u don la jok plan ta jumfi. Dei hamta kabang aso lungo pat aso kumensya. Baki don ki kon samla jungi. Kibar le kai football halo ta tasa. You won't believe. They are champions in the country now. They are gold medalists. But the day but singrang imla panges ba nagane ke Jylla jungi in your ya ki champions, national champions akan blind football.
Wow. Nano? Mountain Road. All the best.